What are best practices for wage garnishment administration? Imagine you are managing employee wages and suddenly receive a garnishment order. What's the right way to handle it? Proper administration is key to staying compliant and avoiding legal trouble. First, you need to understand the legal rules. Calculate the correct garnishment amount based on the order and federal and state laws. Remember, there are limits on how much of an employee's wages can be garnished. Usually, the maximum is either 25% of disposable earnings or the amount that exceeds 30 times the federal minimum wage. Make sure to respect protected wages that cannot be garnished. If the rules seem complex, consulting a legal or human resources professional is a smart move. Once you receive a garnishment order, act quickly. Immediate response is essential. Delay can lead to liability for the full debt amount. Continue garnishments until you get official notice to stop, even if the employee disputes the order. Stopping early or ignoring the order can cause legal and financial risks. Keep all information about garnishments private. Store this data securely, separate from general personnel files. Only payroll and human resources staff should access it. Do not share garnishment details with coworkers or outside parties. It's important to ensure that garnishments do not influence employment decisions like promotions or disciplinary actions. Record keeping is another best practice. Maintain detailed records of the original garnishment order, notifications sent to the employee, calculations made, payments remitted, and any correspondence. These records can be vital if there is a dispute or an audit. Remit the garnished wages correctly and on time. Send the funds to the creditor or agency as instructed in the order. Timely payments prevent penalties and legal issues. When an employee has multiple garnishments, prioritize payments according to legal rules. For example, child support and tax debts usually take precedence over other debts, regardless of the order in which notices were received. Include all earnings when calculating garnishments. This means not just regular wages but also sick pay, vacation pay, commissions, and other forms of compensation. Failing to include these can lead to underpayment and legal issues. Always follow the garnishment order strictly. Do not take sides or make judgments about the employee's financial situation. Strict compliance is necessary to avoid legal consequences. Establish clear internal policies and train your payroll and human resources staff. Well-defined procedures help ensure consistency and legal compliance. Regular training reduces errors and keeps everyone up to date on legal requirements. Finally, use technology to your advantage. Employ payroll software or cloud-based systems designed to manage garnishment orders efficiently. These tools can improve accuracy, simplify tracking, and ensure timely remittance. Following these practices helps you stay within the law, protects employee privacy, and keeps your wage garnishment process smooth and compliant. Proper administration benefits everyone involved and keeps your organization on the right side of labor and employment laws.